Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So consider the LHS part. This is the left hand side part. This is the right hand side part. Okay. So part the LHS. Right? Consider the LHS left hand side part. So LHS given that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay, so we know that cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta and cot theta can be written as cos by tan. Okay, so in place of cosec theta, substitute the value of 1 by sin theta. In place of cot theta, write cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, so cosec theta it is written as 1 by sin and cot theta it can be written as cos by sin. Now, so 1 by sin and cos by sin, that means both have sin theta as the same denominator. That means we can take sin theta as the common denominator. Okay, so if we take sin theta as common denominator, then the numerator becomes as 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, so the 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Okay, so this square term apply for both numerator and denominator. So 1 minus cos theta whole square, we can write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, since 1 minus cos theta whole square, that means multiply twice. Okay, by denominator is sin square theta. So we know that identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, so from this, if it's cos square theta goes to the right side, becomes as minus cos square theta. That means sin square theta equal to, we can write as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so now in place of sin square theta, we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. So now 1 minus cos theta, numerator gets 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, here denominator is 1 minus cos square theta. That means 1 can be written as 1 square. We can write 1 as 1 square. So 1 square minus cos square theta. Okay, so this is of the form a square minus b square. Okay, so we know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b formula. Okay, so the numerator, write the numerator first. The numerator is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So by denominator, here denominator a square minus, it is of the form a square minus b square. That means 1 square minus cos square. So it can be written as a plus b into a minus b. That means 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. It can be written as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, both gets cancelled. So now 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this is required RHS. Okay, so LHS equal to, we have obtained the RHS. So this is the required proof. Hence, proof. Okay, so this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is, show that under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to sec a plus tan a. Okay, so first consider the LHS part. This is the left hand side part. This is the right hand side part. Okay, so LHS, a left hand side equal to under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Okay, so a denominator is 1 minus sin a. Okay, so rationalizing factor of denominator, so that means rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin a is 1 plus sin a. Okay, so first rationalizing factor of denominator is 1 plus sin a. Okay, so since here the denominator is 1 minus sin a, so its rationalizing factor is 1 plus sin a. That means here only, here if it is minus, the rationalizing in the rationalizing factor it converts into plus. Okay, so if here it is plus, rationalizing factor consisting of minus. Okay, so rationalizing factor of denominator here we have written. Okay, so multiply both numerator and denominator with this rationalizing factor now. Okay, so multiply both numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor. So if we multiply both numerator and denominator, then it becomes as under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. So this is the LHS given. So if we multiply with both numerator and denominator with rationalizing factor, so it becomes as 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Okay, so numerator is multiplied with rationalizing factor and denominator is also multiplied with rationalizing factor here. Okay, so this numerator 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a, we can write it as 1 plus sin a whole square. Okay, so 1 plus sin a whole square by denominator 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a, that means it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So we know that formula a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, so since a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that means here a is 1 and b is the sin a. Okay, so we can write it of the form a square minus b square, that means 1 square minus sin square a. Okay, so under root of, so now 1 plus sin a whole square, 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 square value is 1. Okay, minus sin square a, so under root of. So we know that identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So from this, if this sin square theta goes to the right side, becomes as minus sin square theta, that means it implies that cos square theta equal to, we can write it as 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so in place of 1 minus sin square theta, we can write it as cos square theta, that means in place of 1 minus sin square a, we can write it as cos square a. Okay, so now it will be changes into numerator is 1 plus sin a whole square by denominator in place of 1 minus sin square a, we are writing as cos square a. Okay, cos square a. So now 1 plus sin a by cos a whole square. Okay, so it here 1 plus sin a whole square by cos square a, that means 1 plus sin a by cos a whole square, it can be written as 1 plus sin a by cos a whole square. Okay, so now square and root gets cancelled, so it means 1 plus sin a by cos a. So now split this denominator cos a to both 1 and sin a, that means it becomes as 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Okay, so 1 by cos a, we know that 1 by cos theta is sec theta, that means 1 by cos a here is sec a, plus sin theta by cos theta, we know that tan theta, that means here sin a by cos a can be written as tan a. Okay, so equal to sec a plus tan a, sec a plus tan, that means required RHS. Okay, so LHS equal to, we have obtained the required RHS, so therefore hence proved. So this is the answer.